Between vibrant central Tucson and the green canyons of Sabino Canyon Natural Area rests an oasis. A quiet lake and giant trees replace the dry mesquite and creosote bush-covered plains of Tucson. The U.S. Army built its Fort Lowell outpost 6 miles beyond the northeast side of Tucson beside the Rillito riverbed in 1862 to supply the Apache wars. After the post was abandoned in 1891, a rural Mexican-American settlement recycled the old structures. In the 1930s, an artist colony became established in the quiet abandoned buildings. Eventually, Tucson sprawled out to the area. In 1980, just west of the artist colony, the Hill Farm development arose along the route of an old irrigation ditch. The central house, now clubhouse, designed by Tucson architect Josias Joesler, overlooks a wide lake beneath the Tucson birding flyway. With its huge trees, abundant flowers, and winding streets, it is a neighborhood of respite. An oasis in urban Tucson between the renowned Tucson Medical Center and the Rillito Riverside Bike and Walking Loop Trail. Quiet mornings, wandering along the lake paths, biking on the loop trail, a cooling swim in the neighborhood pool, or just watching sunrise across the Catalina Mountains. Hill Farm neighborhood becomes a special place for meeting friends.